I'm passionate about computer science as it is part of everything we do. Having an expertise in computer science enables you to solve complex, challenging problems and enables you to make a positive difference in the world. Expertise in computer science helps even if your primary career is something else. It teaches you computational skills that will allow you to overcome logical problems and approach tasks in a methodical way. Computer science offers great opportunities for true creativity and innovativeness, allowing you the opportunity to learn different programming languages. Computer science has space for both collaborative work and individual effort. The digital age continues to expand, with the role of computer science pervading throughout almost all industries and organisational processes. Whether you want to work as a programmer, medical practitioner or marketer, it's becoming increasingly important for you to possess, at varying levels of proficiency, some understanding of computer science. Computer science no longer stands alone. It is an ever-increasing part of countless business departments and processes. And in this digital age, even journalists are being encouraged to learn JavaScript and HTML. Computer science is an essential part of well-rounded academic preparation. The skills you learn will benefit your entire life. Studying computer science and the logic of a variety of coding languages and processes enable you to advance the way that you think and relate to the world. That is a strong skill to possess. Future opportunities in computing are without boundaries. Computer science offers many types of lucrative careers and computing jobs are here to stay. If you want a challenge and a course that will allow you to grow, develop and master a skill that is highly regarded, then computer science is the way forward. Finally, studying computing can take you down a number of different paths, and many of these allow you to have a positive impact on the lives in general. Computer technology is heavily connected to the medical field, education, entertainment, architecture, and even in security. So the opportunities to ultimately use your computer studies to bring something good to people are vast.